What if I told you I made $200 just by writing articles from the comfort of my home? No fancy degree, no previous writing job, and no boss breathing down my neck. Sounds too good to be true? Well, I'm here to show you exactly how I did it. If you're someone who wants to earn money online using just your writing skills, or even if you're a total beginner, this video is for you. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share the tool that helped me land my first writing gigs and get paid fast, money bag and emoji. So, a few months ago, I was desperately looking for a legit way to make money online. I stumbled upon tons of freelance writing opportunities, but most of them required experience, a strong portfolio, or endless applications. That's when I found a platform called PaidWritingJobs, and it completely changed the game for me. Now, I'll be real with you. I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a shot. I signed up, followed their beginner-friendly training, and within a week, I found my first article writing opportunity. I wrote a simple blog post about home office setups, submitted it, and boom, $50 in my PayPal in just a few days. From there, things just picked up. Using PaidWritingJobs, I found more writing gigs, short articles, product reviews, listicles, and even simple editing tasks. Some paid $30, others $75, depending on the topic and length. Over the span of 3 weeks, I had made a total of $200 writing from my kitchen table, just working 1 to 2 hours a day, no commuting, no boss, just me, my laptop, and a strong Wi-Fi signal. If you're just starting out, here are 3 quick tips that worked for me. 1. Stick to what you know. Writing about topics you're familiar with makes things faster. 2. Follow templates. PaidWritingJobs gives you outlines and sample articles to follow. 3. Deliver on time. Good clients often rehire reliable writers. Now, is this some overnight get-rich scheme? No. But if you're willing to put in a little effort, this can turn into a consistent income stream or even a full-time gig down the road. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just want a side hustle, freelance writing is something you can do starting today. If you're ready to get started like I did, I highly recommend checking out the platform that helped me make my first $200 writing online. Click the link in the description below to access PaidWritingJobs, the same site I used to find my first clients. Trust me, it's beginner-friendly and gets you earning faster than trying to figure it all out alone. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money from home. See you in the next one.